In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase a 1-month Amazon Prime membership. If you've been considering joining this service for its numerous benefits like speedy delivery, access to a wide variety of movies and TV shows through Prime Video, and much more, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and guide you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and easy sign-up experience. First, you'll want to navigate to the Amazon Prime sign-up page. You can do this either directly through the main Amazon website or by accessing the Prime Video website. This page is your gateway to beginning a membership that could significantly enhance your shopping and entertainment experience. Once you're on the sign-up page, you'll need to select the monthly membership option. Amazon often provides choices between monthly and annual plans, so be sure to choose the one that suits your needs best. Opting for the monthly plan gives you the flexibility to enjoy the perks without a long-term commitment. Now, you might see an enticing offer for a free trial if you're eligible. If this option pops up, you have the opportunity to start your Prime experience without the initial payment. This trial period is an excellent way to explore all the benefits and see if Prime fits your lifestyle and needs. It's like test driving a membership before fully committing, which is always a nice bonus. After making your choice regarding the free trial, it's time to proceed with the payment details. Here, you'll need to supply your credit or debit card information to finalize the purchase. Amazon's secure payment system will prompt you through each step, making it straightforward to complete your transaction. Remember, your billing information must be accurate to ensure uninterrupted service and access to all the fantastic Prime perks. Once you've successfully set up your membership, you're free to start watching and enjoying all the benefits that come with being an Amazon Prime member. This includes using the Prime Video service, which opens up a vast library of movies, TV shows, and original content perfect for any entertainment enthusiast. Plus, you get to enjoy benefits like free and fast delivery on countless items, making online shopping more convenient than ever. In conclusion, getting started with Amazon Prime is a straightforward process that opens up a world of convenience and entertainment at your fingertips. Whether you're looking to enhance your shopping experience or dive into hours of quality content, a Prime membership offers something valuable for everyone. So go ahead, complete your sign-up today, and start reaping the rewards of being a Prime member.